I bought a new lathe and I'm selling this one on eBay. I'd like to leave it up, but I've got to take it down to make room for the new lathe. So I thought I'd just take a few pictures to show any prospective buyer if they were interested, because this lathe is in pretty good condition. It is a CL2 upgraded to a CL3 and then upgraded to a CL4 with Record's VSLK kit, and that includes the inverter, the variable speed drive and a new motor, a 1 horsepower motor. You still use, if you can just see inside, the 5 pulleys, which gives you 5 different ranges of speeds, and the range using all the pulleys goes from about 15 to about 4,500 RPM. This little box on top is a homemade rev counter. It works off the back of the lathe, fitted there actually by me, and that I will sell with the lathe. Of course, it's got the usual outboard turning attachment that Record provide for the CL4 or the CL range, and that's more or less it. This is to just show the lathe when it's running. I've already said that it's got to be taken down soon, so we'll be able to see it running then. Okay, just turn it on. That's it running at 1000 RPM, which is quite fast. But the wood I'm cutting is London plane. It's quite soft, and all I want to do is just finish off the outside of the bowl. I've already done the main cutting, and I want to just shear cut around the edge. So here we go. Very fine shavings coming up. There's the lathe in action. Drop the speed down. That's down to 120. And then we can go up. That's 840, a usual sort of turning speed. $14.40. 2160, that's a good speed for scraping if you're in the mood. And then just gets a little bit noisier now, and we're going flat out, and that's 2760. Now that's 2760 is not the fastest speed for the lathe, but if I want to go any faster, I've got to go in here and change the pulleys over to the top range, which is 58 to about 4,500. So there it is, there's the lathe running.